doesn't let you go faster until...
That's right. Today may be a little bit bumpy, that's because of the roads.
Okay. I blame... it's no your dodgy driving, is it?
No.
No.
No, I'm a really good driver. I've took 0 alcohol this week. Okay, maybe a little bit less.
Ow! You're supposed to be driving.
I know I am, but I took too many shots this week.
Help!
Okay. I think I got this under control now. Okay.
Right, you can drive in a straight line, that's good. It's just the turning that's the issue.
Oh, I did it pretty well there.
Wow. Right, 220 mile an hour, please.
Okay. Hold on. It just randomly turns.
We're running out of petrol. Oh no.
It's your fault, you control the pedal.
We're freewheeling.
Oh, stop it. Stop it. There's a traffic jam happening.